how to enable Android Auto. So, first of all, launch Settings on your Android devices. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on Connected Devices. Now, from Connected Devices section, scroll down below and at the bottom you'll see Android Auto. Tap on it. Now, all you would have to do is tap on Connect a Vehicle under Connection. Now, in order to enable Android Auto, you need to get started by plugging your phone into your vehicle's Android Auto compatible USB port. So, make sure you connect the USB cable port to your vehicle and then you will be able to enable Android Auto on your mobile devices. So, all you would have to do is connect USB cable to start. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.